Hey guys, it's Alano420 here, and today I'm showing you an update on my parrots. Right over there is my blue pair, and that's my other pair, the yellow and the rainbow. They're fighting a bit, I know, they're just scared that I'm here. And the blue pair currently has 11 eggs. So, and I do believe that none of them are fertile. So I don't know what's up with that. And down here, I can show you an update on my cockatiels. Two have came out of the nest. They're both normals. And I think they're normals. They might be like the female, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not really good with genetics. Is like the pearl a recessive trait or something? And because there's one pied over there inside, like he's the only one left. And up here we got the parakeets. So now I'm just gonna shut up and let you enjoy. It's actually feeding time right now, so you might get to see some chicks being fed down there. Sorry about that chair, I'm just bringing it in to sit down. Sorry. Okay. Now you can get out of the video if you want to. Right now this is just gonna be me showing you them. They want to be fed. There's a fight up there. So I don't think they want to feed them anymore. They're just looking at me. So I'm going to end this video now. Hope you guys have enjoyed this update and parents feeding video. And yeah, enjoy.